Hello friends, welcome to Eye2Eye Opto Gurukul channel. This is Mahadev Shegunshi. I am working as a consultant optometrist. Today I am going to explain you different parts of the human eye. This is a dummy cross-sectional human eye. Now I am going to explain you different parts of the human eye. The outermost layer, that is fibrous layer, it consists of crystal transparent media, that is cornea. The junction between cornea and the sclera is the limbus, and this white surface opaque part, that is sclera. And the second layer we have here vascular layer, which consists of three parts again. One, the anteriorly the iris, the middle second part is the ciliary body, and the posterior third part, that is choroid. The innermost layer, that is neural layer, that is called retina. The front layer, cornea, has no blood vessels. It is avascular media which has the highest refractive media in the eyeball. It measures the dioptric value, average 43 diopter to 45 diopter. The front surface of the corneal curvature, radius of curvature of the front surface, that is 7.8 mm. The posterior surface of the corneal radius of curvature is 6.5 mm. The anteroposterior length of the human eye measures about 24 mm in the normal human eye. And the vertical length, that is 23 mm, and the horizontal length of the human eye is 23.5 mm normal. The eyeball is shorter in hypermetropia. The axial length is shorter than the normal. The normal axial length is 24 mm anterior-posteriorly. When the patient has plus power or hypermetropic condition, then your eyeball length is lesser than the normal, shorter than the normal. But the anterior-posterior axial length, but the axial length of the eyeball is longer in myopic patients, those patients where the negative power of spectacle. Eyeball has three coats. The outer supporting layer, it consists of transparent cornea, opaque sclera, and the junction between cornea and sclera is called limbus. The middle vascular layer is called uvea. It consists of three parts: anteriorly iris, middle the ciliary body, and posteriorly choroid. Inner neural layer, that is called retina, it consists of two parts. Number one, that is sensory retina, and the second one is layer of pigment epithelium. And the next part, we have crystalline lens. Is the transparent structure is located immediately behind the iris and supported by the fine fibers called as zonules. The human eye has three compartments, three chambers. The one anteriorly, the first one is anterior chamber, that is lies between the posterior surface of the cornea and anterior surface of the iris. The second layer, second chamber is posterior chamber. It lies between anterior surface of the lens, crystalline lens, and posterior surface of the iris. The third cavity, that is vitreous cavity, is the largest and located behind the lens and zonules, and its periphery adhere to the retina.